Hello peeps, welcome to another new video. Today I'm going to do the video on our furnace. We finally are going to bite the bullet and have this replaced. I know I put a video up a couple months ago saying how good it runs. It still does after 38 years, the original furnace to this house, but our air conditioning, central air, does not work. And last week it was in the 90s, 85 to 90. So we had to put the window air conditioners back in. And we had this scheduled today. So, yeah, we're going to have new furnace, new heat, air conditioning. So what I'll do is when the old one is taken out, this one, and the new one put in, I'll show you how it all looks. Not sure if it's going to be running because it's about going to be like 70 degrees today. So, but all right, stay tuned. And this is our central air. It's all going to be replaced. All right, we are back. This is our new furnace. A lot different than the old one. They had to put new piping, exhaust, and intake. The whole new what you want to call that, venting there. This is all new, all the way down. I just can't believe how small this furnace is. We went with the Lennox. A lot of people had a lot of good things to say about it. I believe this is the Elite series. And so yeah, they were here 6.5, maybe 7 hours, if most. Didn't take them very long. They had a couple guys working in here. And so yeah, got a new furnace. And then I'll take you outside to look at the air conditioner. And there is the air conditioner. It's a little bit bigger as far as size-wise, but not tonnage. It's still the same, 2 ton. And they said the reason for it being a lot bigger than the last one, it has more surface to keep it running cooler in the summertime. So it's what they tell us. I don't know if that's concrete, probably a hard plastic. And then they had to put new tubes there. Yep. So this set us back about $8,000. Well, less than $8,000, I should say, for the whole thing. But yeah, that should do it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. And if anybody else has any comments about their Lennox units, please put them in the comment section. I appreciate everyone watching, and we will see you next time.